This review focuses on the best robot vacuums available this year, highlighting models that truly stand out in cleaning performance, smart navigation, and everyday reliability. These devices are designed to make home maintenance easier while delivering consistent and thorough results on different floor types. After weeks of careful research, analyzing technical specifications, and comparing real-world usage, the most practical and feature-rich robot vacuums have been identified. Each selected robot vacuum delivers a strong balance of efficiency, convenience, and long-term value. As a result, buyers can confidently choose a model that fits their needs without feeling overwhelmed by countless similar options on the market. First up is the Roomba 104. Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a smart and powerful cleaning companion designed to make home cleaning effortless. With its advanced 3-stage cleaning system and 70x stronger suction than the Roomba 600 series, it easily lifts dust, dirt, and pet hair from carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors. Thanks to Clearview LiDAR navigation, the Roomba 104 maps your home accurately, cleans efficiently, and avoids obstacles and stairs with ease. It doesn't miss corners either. The multi-surface and edge-sweeping brushes ensure thorough cleaning in every area. Using the Roomba Home app, you can schedule cleanings, choose specific rooms, adjust suction levels, and set keep-out zones. Need extra cleaning in one spot? Spot cleaning mode handles tough messes in minutes. You can also control it via Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, or the onboard buttons. The Roomba 104 automatically recharges and resumes cleaning, so no area is left unfinished. Overall, this Roomba 104 robot vacuum cleaner combines strong performance, smart navigation, and easy control, making it an excellent choice for a clean, stress-free home. Next up is the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. Stands out as a powerful, intelligent, and pet-friendly cleaning solution for modern homes. Designed with matrix clean navigation, it moves methodically in a precision grid pattern to ensure no spot is missed. Its incredible suction power easily lifts dirt, debris, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors, leaving surfaces spotless. The self-cleaning brush roll digs deep into fibers to remove even stubborn pet hair without tangling, making it ideal for pet owners. This robot vacuum offers a truly hands-free cleaning experience. Its self-emptying base can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris, eliminating the need for frequent emptying or extra disposal bags. With 360-degree LiDAR vision, it maps the home precisely, adapting to changes and avoiding obstacles effectively. Users can control it effortlessly through voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, or by using the Shark Clean app to schedule or start cleaning anytime. However, one minor downside is that the app lacks real-time tracking and multi-floor mapping, which slightly limits control and convenience. Overall, the Shark AI Ultra is a high-performing, low-maintenance vacuum ideal for pet-friendly homes, offering deep cleaning power and modern automation that delivers excellent value. Next is the eufy C10 Robot Vacuum. Delivers an exceptional blend of power, intelligence, and convenience for effortless home cleaning. With its advanced self-emptying station, the C10 automatically transfers collected dust into a 3-liter dust bag, requiring replacement only once every 60 days. This hands-free system minimizes maintenance and ensures users enjoy a truly uninterrupted cleaning experience. Equipped with 4,000 pascals of strong suction power, the C10 effectively lifts dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from all floor types. Its rolling brush enhances cleaning efficiency, while the innovative corner-over arm extends to capture hidden debris from corners and edges, areas most vacuums often miss. The 2.85-inch slim design enables the robot to glide smoothly under furniture and reach tight spaces, making it perfect for homes with low-profile furniture or hard-to-reach spots. The LiDAR navigation system intelligently maps and scans rooms to create optimized cleaning routes, ensuring every area is covered methodically. App control allows easy scheduling and customization, giving users complete control from anywhere. Overall, the eufy C10 Robot Vacuum stands out as a powerful, precise, and low-maintenance cleaning solution that combines innovative design with advanced technology. Perfect for pet owners and anyone seeking a smarter, cleaner home. Next up is the Tikom G8000 Robot Vacuum. It is a smart, efficient, and user-friendly cleaning companion for modern households. With its 5,000 pascals strong suction power, it effectively lifts pet hair, dust, and debris from hard floors and carpets. The vacuum's dual-function design allows it to vacuum and mop simultaneously, thanks to its 450 ml dustbin and 300 ml water tank. This innovation reduces cleaning time by nearly half, making it perfect for busy families. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 150 minutes of continuous cleaning in quiet mode, and it automatically returns to the charging dock when the battery is low. The G8000 supports 4 control methods: app, remote, voice and button, offering flexibility for every user. It also includes 4 cleaning modes: spot, edge, zigzag and manual, with zigzag mode ensuring maximum coverage. At only 2.99 inches tall, it fits under most furniture, while its anti-collision and anti-fall sensors prevent accidents and ensure smooth navigation across multiple floor types. However, the power may feel slightly less effective on deep carpets compared to premium models. Overall, the Tikom G8000 is a reliable, smart and versatile cleaning robot that simplifies home maintenance, making it an excellent choice for households with pets and mixed flooring. Next up is the Roborock Qrevo Robot Vacuum and Mop is a powerhouse of smart cleaning technology designed for ultimate convenience and performance. With an incredible 12,000 pascals hyperforce suction, it effortlessly lifts embedded dirt, pet hair and debris from every corner, leaving carpets and hard floors spotless. Its brushless motor and optimized airflow system ensure deep cleaning even in tight spaces and under furniture. The all-in-one smart dock truly redefines hands-free cleaning. It auto-empties dust into a 7-week storage bin, self-washes and dries the mop with warm air, and auto-refills the water tank to cover large areas. This feature minimizes manual maintenance while preventing odors and bacteria buildup. Meanwhile, the FlexiArm design with dual spinning mops mimics hand scrubbing to remove stubborn stains, reaching tricky corners with precision. Its reactive obstacle, avoidance technology and PreciSense LiDAR navigation enable precise mapping, real-time object detection and support for up to 4 floor maps, ideal for multi-level homes. The Roborock app offers full customization, allowing users to schedule, target rooms and adjust suction or water flow. Overall, the Roborock Qrevo stands out as a premium, intelligent cleaning solution that delivers exceptional results, combining cutting-edge automation with powerful performance for a truly spotless home. Finally, the Dreame L10S Pro Ultra Heat Robot Vacuum delivers a premium, hands-free cleaning experience for modern homes. It features powerful 7,000 pascals suction, which easily lifts dust, debris and pet hair from hard floors and carpets. In addition, its intelligent obstacle avoidance allows it to navigate furniture and tight spaces smoothly. As a result, cleaning becomes more efficient and stress-free. This robot stands out with its advanced Mop Extend technology and hot water self-cleaning system. The mop reaches edges more effectively, while 136 degrees hot water removes stubborn stains and bacteria. Moreover, the Auto Robot Care and Maintenance system reduces manual effort by handling mop washing and drying automatically. Therefore, users enjoy cleaner floors with minimal involvement. Designed for busy households, the Dreame L10S Pro Ultra Heat adapts well to different floor types. It transitions smoothly between carpets and hard surfaces, ensuring consistent results. Furthermore, its smart features make it ideal for homes with pets and long hair. Overall, it offers a reliable, high-performance solution for thorough daily cleaning. For more honest product reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video.